Hey everybody, this is T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today is day 19, 19th of January, so the 19th day of the 100-day art challenge. And today I just have a pen and ink drawing that I put a swatch of paint over, and so I started out here. It's just going to be a quick sketch in my sketchbook, not a lot of detail, just to get some more practice sketching faces. And so I've just started here with my pencil, and I'm going to sketch this out. Again, not very detailed, but once I get it sketched out, then I will come back in and do some real loose lined pen and ink. And I don't give her much hair. The students were having a heart attack about that I should have put some better hair on her, because she looks a little I guess she looks really raggedy with the hair that I put on her. But anyway, that's it. So I'm going to let the music play while this goes through. And again, I'm just sketching it out. That's all there is to this. And then we'll put some pen and ink on it. Here we go.